Hello guys, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. I don't know who to address this to because I wasn't able to catch a name. You guys were a little busy this morning, but that's actually really good. So just gonna go through the website, see what's going on, see what we can do. So right away, I love the Johnson painting in the corner. That's excellent. You have a nice header over here. Click to call number. Everything's actually looking really good with drop down menus and buttons to click on. Going through this one, oh, contact us today, even better. Um, okay, welcome to Johnson Painting. You state your hours, which is excellent. And then you kind of give a little introduction. Definitely doing really well here. So what I'm looking for is some like keywords. Keyword is anything that somebody would put into Google to intently search for something, such as like painters, but then where, right? Painters in Corpus Christi. So we're looking for something that's very targeted. As I'm scrolling through, these are looks like they're all links, which is excellent. It leads to other areas of your website, which is actually excellent. Theoretically, if you already have pages, some of these are not links. Only a couple of them are. I'm assuming we're looking to hopefully make them all links. But as we go through, oops, I did not mean to click on About Us. It is a good page. You definitely want that. But as I'm going through, there's a lot of pictures and bullet points and only one area really of content. Now, Google's very strict on this. They want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage alone. And kind of talking about your services is a very big plus when it comes to that. So you definitely want to utilize that as well. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what's going on, find out exactly, what we can do. So just looking at your website, it could be that your website's very new, which is why you don't have a lot going on. Or it could have to do with the backlink idea. So you definitely want a rank, but you have your UR rating, which is how strong your website is, and then a DR rating, which is how much Google trusts you. Now, the way you get these up is you have backlinks. It's where you have your website link somewhere else that can click to you. And the ones that come back are called referring domains. Now, we definitely want strong referring domains because not all of them are created equal. Some of them are spammy, like, I don't know, WikiLeaks or something like that. And some of them are, BuzzFeed, and some of them are much better. Some of them are like blogs for painters and stuff like that. But then you also have 15 organic keywords, which is excellent, and 4 people coming to your website through that. Now, let's take a look at what those keywords are. So right off the bat, we're looking for what the keyword, the volume of it, and the traffic you're getting. So right now you have excellent keyword, wallpaper removal, Corpus Christi, Texas. Now there's only a volume of 40 people searching for this in the entire area for that. However, you are pulling in at least one person. So that's not so bad, but you are in position 8. So we definitely want to get higher in the rankings for that. The best one right now I'm seeing, definitely variations of Corpus Christi painters and painters Corpus Christi. Those are excellent keywords to have. Unfortunately, you're not really getting any recognition for it because you're not in a position to receive them. You're on the 3rd and 4th page here. So problem is that when it comes to the 2nd page, we have a joke that that's where we hide dead bodies because no one looks for them over there. So we definitely want to try and get you ranking a little higher. You have the right idea when it comes to keywords, which is excellent, but we're not ranking. Now, there are definitely a lot of great keywords out there that, will have higher volumes than this, but these are really good. It shows that you know what you're doing. We just got to get a higher ranking. So let's take a look at somebody else, right? What is another keyword? What is Painters Corpus Christi? What you saw, 350 people are searching for this. So right over here, we have the Google Map Pack or the GMB. Now, very important to get in here, about 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these 3 people. But then we got the organic search over here, and this is where you can rank, and this is where we really want to get to. Now, most people don't care about Yelp, Home Advisor, and Hughes, or the BBB, or Angie, or this one. Don't know what it is. Most people want to actually talk to somebody. They want to get to an actual company. Now, Southern Painting is kind of a franchise, as you can see. They have southernpainting.com/Corpus Christi, so they have multiple locations. But right off the bat, they have a local number, which is excellent. They have nice pictures. This is something you really want to focus on as well, just those quick people just giving you their information so you can get back to them. Their number isn't click to call, so I'm very disappointed in them for that. But you can always find your location. But as you scroll through, this kind of follows you, which is fine. So does this. tons of opportunity for you to put your information in. And as we're going through this, I'm looking for those keywords as well. I want to see if they're using them, and they're not really, as you can see. Like they reference themselves, but not in with those keywords. So, and then these are accolades and reviews. No one really cares a lot. Images are great, except if there's no content to it, it doesn't work very well. So honestly, it's fine, but it's not a great website either. They're just ranking above everybody else. I mean, it might be due to luck. But let's take a look at the back end over here. So because they're a franchise, they have a lot of interconnecting backlinks. That's why their UR rating or strength of a website is high, and their trust in Google is high, because they have 318 backlinks, but 25 of them are, following backlinks are referring domains that are strong. So in all honesty, we would want to find out what those are and then use them for yourself. But then as for organic keywords, they don't even have that many of those. But let us take a look and see what they are. So their keywords, only got 20 listed, but they have high volume over here right away. Painters, Corpus Christi, Corpus Christi, Corpus Christi painters, Corpus Christi painting. Different variations of the same thing, but these are what people put in. But as you can see, they're on the front page to get at least some of them to come to their website. So they're pulling in some traffic for them. Obviously, a lot of these, very high intentional words. That's what we're looking for, and that's exactly what you want. Doesn't matter what it is, but a variation of what it is people look for and the area, and you will start getting traffic. Now, the only issue is that, the zeros are here because they're not in any position. Once you get past page 1, the likelihood of somebody landing on you by that word is next to 0. Okay, it's about 18%. So not 0, but very unlikely that they're going to click on you once they get past page 2. Most people are actually just going to research what they're looking for. So how can we use this to our advantage and help you guys out? So all we got to do, honestly, is get more backlinks. Find out who's doing really well in the area, steal their backlinks and referring domains, and use them for yourself. We got to get 2,000 words on that front page, or at least 1,500, if we don't want to put 2,000. And then from that, we got to get strong keywords. Do the research to find those the keywords that have the most volume coming in per month for them, and just simply start ranking. If you do that, imagine if you can bring this floor up to, even 10 times that amount. Let's bring it to 50, 60, 70. Imagine what can happen if you had that many more people calling you. That's all I got. I really hope this was helpful. Again, I'm not sure who's going to be watching this, but I hope whoever does finds it useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach back out. Otherwise, if you got any feedback for me, I'd always love to know that. Thank you very much. Bye.